Uh, Shalom Aleichem, Kia ora ni Sambula Ranaka Noa i Māori. Welcome to my Fijian jafa YouTube channel. This is my new segmentation is business markets analysis. I studied in business school for 7 years. So I'll be giving a report from Reuters on the refined take and latest global currency markets, showing from Reuters coverage. I'll lead with a summary, then expand into detail. I'll bring a balanced blend of data and narrate it. All of an crisp essay structure. Current currency market snapshot as of August 10, 2025. Recent Fed developments and global policy shifts have triggered notable swings in major currencies. US dollar remains under pressure amid mounting expectations of the Federal Reserve, interest rate cuts, and political uncertainty. Weak labor data coupled with new Fed nominations have contributed to its decline. And the euro continues to strengthen, buoyed by potential US-Russia diplomatic movement, analyst bullish outlook, pushing forecast towards the 1.17 mark by October. The British pound has held near a two-week high after the Bank of England's recent rate decision, described as a hawkish cut. Asian currencies really faced a bearish turn, especially the Indian rupee, hit by tariff threats and now near a 5-month low. Reuters pulse sees the US dollar weakening further, with the euro projected to reach $1.17 by October, potentially $1.20 the next year. Here's how some exchange rates currently stand. Euro USD trades around $1.16 down about 0.23%. Great British pound and US dollar sits near $1.3449, slightly up 0.5%. The US dollar Japanese yen is about 14.76 Japanese yen, marking a modest increase of 0.34%. The USD MXN trades at 18.57 MXN is Mexican and roughly 0.28%. And then a deep dive macro trends, US dollar under pressure, investor sentiment towards the US dollar remains a fragile market. Participants overwhelmingly expect multiple interest rate cuts in the near term, driven by dovish signals and the Fed and political turbulence of the US institutions. Weak jobs data leadership changes have further weakened confidence and monetary policy stability. Euro is steady asset. The euro is poised to continue rising, supported by shifts up by global geopolitics and favorable analysts' forecast. The expectations is $1.17 by October, and upward pressure expected beyond the greenback could face sustained weakness. Sterling resilience despite broader dollar softness, the British pound has held up well. Buoyed by the recent rate cut of the BOE, which has seen surprisingly hawkish Asian currencies under strained trade tensions, and policy are particularly weighing on Asian currencies. The Indian rupee has slid toward a 5-month low amid US tariff threats, which depreciation has provided some cushion to exporters. Long positions in both the yuan and Taiwan dollar have shrunk. The won and the rupee are vulnerable amid tax reform uncertainties, whereas the peso is facing its own bearish pressure. Markets continue to favor the Singapore dollar as their 65th anniversary, supported by political stability, while Malaysia's ringgit and Thailand's baht are managing modest gains, albeit concerns of underlying structural vulnerabilities. What this means is summary outlook in U.S. Federal Reserve signals. Markets are pricing an aggressive easing measuring by year-end response to soft macroeconomic indicators and controversial leadership decisions. This is significantly weakening the dollar. The euro pound unlocked the euro is on track for further gains, while the pound remains robust. Expectations of continued fiscal discipline from the BOE. Export-driven growth supports some currencies, while India's depreciating rupee may soften tariff impacts as long as the term outlook depends on broader policy clarity. Other Asian economies face mixed fortunes. Political and physical headwinds continue to shape currency sentiment. Policy and geopolitics, which are currency dynamics, future currency trajectories are being influenced by central bank decisions, geopolitical moves, especially involving Russia, and evolving trade tensions. Bond to currency markets are navigating complex monetary policy shifts, political uncertainties, and geopolitical recalibration. The US dollar remains under strain, while the euro and pound gain momentum. Asian currencies are diverging, weighing down by structural challenges and external shocks. Even though I feel like to continue, and this is the local market. Follow me on Instagram as I'll update you on markets updated by Reuters. There's my 5-minute segment as I post Business Watch, according to Reuters and Bloomberg, and I post business news on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. The Fijian jafa, not level for Excel live. Talk to you there.